today has not been a good day. I just filmed an entire video with my mic turned off. And mind you, not the 15-minute video I upload, but I'm going to break it down for you real quick. That 15-minute video takes about 2 hours of filming of just stuff. And outside of that 2 hours, you're adding on probably another 3 or 4 hours of working off camera to get the things ready to install. So I've been out here for about 6 hours doing a bunch of really cool stuff, and I don't have jack squat on my camera. I have video with no audio. So I can do like a quick music video right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a special little treat for you guys. I'm putting that racing seat in. Alright. So we have a Brom racing seat over here. We're gonna throw the seat bracket on the bottom of it. Try make sure it'll fit nice and snug-like. Alright. Got the bracket bolted on. Just go drop it in the car, see if it fits. It looks like my camera is very low on battery, so I won't keep you very long. But the seat is in. It looks good. It feels good. Very excited for how this car is turning out. It is a joy to be in. The shifter looks amazing. I put a license plate in there as a backing, just kind of because I thought it'd be cool. So far I'm right. But yeah, sorry about the microphone, guys, but there we go. It's a very productive day, even if you guys didn't get to see it. If anything, we'll probably just make a big music video and you guys can check it out like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next time. Maybe I can remember how to use the microphone.